this. So we're going to slice this, and this is going to allow it to expand without breaking the bread. If it doesn't expand, it will explode out the sides and out the bottom. So what we're doing is we put cuts in it so it can expand. And
You've nearly cut the bread in two there.
Well, you can't go deep enough, really. So.
You can't go deep enough with the cuts.
Nope. Right. So we're going to put water into there, and that's going to produce steam, and the steam actually attaches itself to the bread and makes the bread go brown. So,
So how do you think they're going?
yeah, they're going much better. Rising more, yeah.
That's rising to the way you want it.
Yeah, probably a little bit. We've got to rise a little bit more, but it's still looking pretty good.
Oh, I think we might just stay for another while to see how these are going to finish off. These are certainly. I'm getting excited with these babies. So Ian, you reckon these are just about perfect now?
Yeah. I don't know, another 10 minutes and these will be ready. Yeah.
And the secret still is the steam in there working away.
Yeah, to start with, you have to make it brown.
Oh, look at that.
Mm.
Look at that. Well, Ian, we're going to leave you, love you.
Yep.
And thank you very much for the business.
Thank you.
It's been wonderful, and we're going to start baking our own bread now. So we're going to steal your recipe.
Yeah.
And oh, they're really looking fantastic, aren't they?